Hello everyone. Dentists say that the most important part of tooth care happens at home. As easy as it may seem to brush your teeth, but very few of us brush our teeth as correct and as well as we could. Thankfully, where there are mistakes, there are ways to fix them. Let us get started. Number 1, picking the right brush. Overall, soft nylon bristles brush are recommended by many doctors, which is best for removing plaque and debris from your teeth. Small-headed brushes are also preferable, since they can better reach all areas of the mouth, including hard-to-reach back teeth. And also, small-headed is better. Number 2, how long can we use single brush? At most 4 months. You should replace your toothbrush when it begins to show wear, or every 3-4 months, whichever comes first. It is also very important to change toothbrushes after you've had a cold, since the bristles can collect germs that can lead to reinfection. Number 3, which paste? And how much paste can we use? A small pea-sized paste is enough. Toothpastes contain abrasives, detergents, and foaming agents. Fluoride, the most common active ingredient in toothpaste, is what prevents cavities. So you should always be sure your toothpaste contains fluoride. Number 4, how much time should you brush? 2 to 3 minutes is recommended. Number 5, how many times should we brush your teeth? At least 2 times is mandatory. Importantly, if you are gonna brush your teeth after meals, wait for 30 minutes as the pH level will be lower than normal. At that time, brushing leads to risks. Number 6, how to brush correctly. Hold your brush at 45 degrees against your teeth. Start at different locations daily. Not to start brush at the same place, at last you will feel lazy to brush the remaining areas, which remains unbrushed. Eventually bacteria would have started to build its home sophisticatedly. Do not press hard. Signs you're brushing your teeth too hard. You've noticed your gums are receding. It's possible that you may have even noticed a change in your gum line. Receding gums is a telltale sign that you're brushing your teeth too hard. Your teeth feel more sensitive. Brush gently in a circular motion, not up and down method. Start at the front teeth, then back of the front teeth. Next left side, front and back, and right side. Brush the chewing surface, top, of each tooth. Use tip of brush to brush behind each tooth, front and back, top and bottom, and up and down strokes. Molars and inside teeth are very important that you guys would have been missing daily. Try to brush small sections at a time. Spit out the paste after brushing. After brushing, rinse your mouth properly. Now, again brush your tongue and inner cheeks to remove odor-causing bacteria. Now, rinse your mouth for at least 3 times. Try to concentrate in the spaces between the teeth. Flossing will be beneficial. Brushing is important, but it won't remove the plaque and particles of food between your teeth, under the gum line, or under braces. You'll need to floss these spaces at least once a day. About 1 person in 10 has a tendency to accumulate tartar quickly. Tartar is a plaque in a hardened form that is more damaging and difficult to remove. Using anti-tartar toothpastes and mouthwashes, as well as spending extra time brushing the teeth near the salivary glands, the inside of the lower front teeth and the outside of the upper back teeth, may slow the development of new tartar. It's easy to be lured by ads telling people they need gleaming white teeth. But these toothpastes alone don't help much in the way of whitening ingredients, and probably won't noticeably change the color of your teeth. The truth is that most people don't need tooth whitening, because teeth usually start to become light yellowish as a person gets older. Number 7, how to prevent yellow teeth or whiten your teeth. Take a pinch of baking soda. Not baking powder, as it contains aluminium. Use the baking soda along with your regular paste and brush it once a week. Simply soda is beneficial, but if you add lemon juice, as it contains citric acid which fights against bacteria and fungal, it will give you better results. But not regularly. Once a week is good. Number 8. There are many fruits and vegetables which naturally help your teeth. Some are like apples, oranges and carrots are helping teeth to become healthier and stronger. Sesame seeds can be eaten daily for removing yellowish spots from your teeth naturally. Thank you for watching our channel. Like and share our video to your family, friends, and colleagues. Subscribe our channel for upcoming further useful videos.